Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the VUDU Error Code 7. The error reads, "Failed to connect to host." As per our research, the error occurs when users try to access the VUDU app, but it fails to load the movie selection. Many users have shared that they specifically face this issue on Sony devices while trying to access VUDU or Fandango. According to our research, the error is likely due to a connectivity issue or compatibility problem between the app and the device. In some cases, the error may also occur if your device is running outdated firmware or if the VUDU app itself is outdated. If your device is too old, it's possible that VUDU no longer supports it. We first suggest you restart your device and then check for the error. If the error still comes, then check if the VUDU is up to date with its latest version. If the VUDU is already up to date, but you still have the error, then check if you need to update your device firmware. In case you still have the error and your device is too old, then chances are VUDU now no longer supports your device. To test that, you can try using VUDU on any other device. If the VUDU works on the other devices, but not only on any particular device, then there are chances VUDU now doesn't support your device version. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.